Welcome to Flight of Nature, a thrilling day trip located in Luangprabang. It's an adventure you won't forget, sailing through the jungle and over the beautiful Tatsaya waterfalls on the latest and safest zipline equipment. We will pick you up in town and get you started on your exciting trip. Just outside of Luangprabang, adventurous travelers of all ages are discovering Flight of Nature. To reach this pristine paradise in the jungle, we need to travel by boat a few kilometers up the beautiful Khan River. Arriving at the camp, we feel the cool and quiet of the jungle, but just ahead lies our destination, the surging Tatsaya waterfalls. The local elephants enjoy a cool bath in the pools beneath the falls. The trainers know the elephants are happy, and this deepens the bond between man and beast. If you're ready, so are the elephants. So climb aboard one of these magnificent creatures and stroll through the jungle. What a great way to explore the jungle, a real elephant's eye view. The elephants come back for a dip in the pools after the ride. They like to cool off after a hard day's work, just like we do. After all this strenuous effort, what could be better than a delicious lunch of local specialties? Our restaurant offers a wide variety of tasty treats. And after lunch, we go for a dip in the cool waters. Our well-trained staff helps you fit your harness to ensure a totally safe experience. All our equipment is manufactured and installed to strict European specifications to ensure a totally safe experience. Now it's time to begin the most exciting part of your adventure at Flight of Nature. Over a kilometer-long run of 20 stages of zip-lining fun. Final instructions from our guides, and you're off. Our staff are ready to assist you at each of the platforms between the zip line runs. You can double up and ride together with a friend. Spread your wings and fly like a bird as you soar through the dense jungle and above the rushing waters below. By the end of your ziplining tour, you'll be totally relaxed. You're completely safe in your well-secured harness. Relax and enjoy the ride. As you come in for a landing, you'll feel at one with the beautiful natural environment. Join us soon at Flight of Nature Zipline Experience for the ride of your life.
It was cool, very adventurous, very nice, amazing.
Woo! Had a great time.
The best time ever.
I really enjoyed. Thank you very much.
Oh, 非常好.
A lot of fun today. It's very good day.